IP Conference Phone 8832 is a full-feature conference station that extends your call handling capabilities. The speakerphone unit contains the display screen, displays the date, time, your phone number, caller ID, line and call status information. Soft keys perform a variety of function and calling options and change depending on the state of the phone. The soft key on the far right displays more soft keys. Your organization has many options for presenting soft keys to you. The screen on your phone may show the same keys in a different arrangement than shown in this training module. Navigation and select buttons allows you to move within menus and select options. Keypad. Use the keypad buttons to enter phone numbers or select menu items. Volume button. This is a two-way rocker used to increase or decrease the speaker volume while on a call. When the phone is idle, this will also change the ringer volume. Mute button. Toggles the mute feature on and off. When the phone is muted, the LED bar is solid red. In addition, there are optional wired and wireless extension kits that can be added to or used with the conference phone to enhance the room coverage of the conference station.